Assassin's phone cracked swiftly, a government playing double standards on phone privacy. Our colleague witnessed the insane performance of Ryzen 9000 CPUs at AMD Tech Conference. Buy. ATB-WD SSD hits the market, but we don't think it's worth buying just yet. CAMMUS E-peadal simulation racing kit is a must-have for enthusiasts. Tencent's latest AI lets you generate natural-looking facial expressions and lip movement in videos. Folks, let me tell you about a total double standard, the kind that makes your blood boil. Remember that who messed with the San Bernardino terrorist phone? The FBI screamed they couldn't break into it and wanted Apple to open a black door for them, all in the name of national security. But guess what? They cracked the phone of a guy who wanted to kill Donald Trump, and they did it in just 2 days. Can you believe that? Suddenly, they're phone cracking genius. And the cost of the cracking, from the old example, it was $1.3 million. So, only famous people worth a fast investigation, right? This is a total joke, folks. If they could do it for one guy, why not the terrorist? Are they playing games with us or just serve the elite class? Do they pick and choose when to be good at their jobs? This isn't just about phones, it's about your freedom. If the FBI can break into a phone that fast, what's to stop them from snooping on you? This is about big government overwatch, and it's wrong. We need to stand up and say, enough is enough. They can't have both ways. Let me know what you think. Is that fair? Are they playing us with fools? Fight for right. Our co-worker at the Grand AMD Tech Day saw a miracle. The Ryzen 9950X. With a demo, this chip hit 6.6 GHz on all cores, setting a new standard for what we can expect from a CPU. And the Ryzen 9000 series is taking a leap forward in overclocking capabilities. It's not just about the speed, it's about smart speed. With a simple click in Ryzen Master, you can switch from DDR5 4800 to a screaming fast DDR5 1600 without even rebooting your system. And the curve shaper we talked before, it's like giving your processor a professional trainer for its voltage and frequency. It's not just about lifting more weight, it's about lifting smarter at lower voltage, reaching higher frequencies, always keeping that temperature in check. There's more. The liquid nitrogen overclocking session was a spectacle to behold, with temperatures to minus 71.5 centigrade degrees and even dipping below minus 110 centigrade degrees. The Ryzen 9 9950X W Prime 32M test saw a time of 1.378 seconds, a 25% improvement over the default settings. Here's the kicker, my friends. The Ryzen 9 9950X with its 4nm Zen 5 architecture isn't just a one-trick pony. This is a golden ticket to build a high-performance machine that won't break the bank. Get ready for your new PC, guys! WD just dropped an ATB version of their super-fast WD SN850X SSD. Sounds amazing, right? Well, hold your horse. Here's the deal. The beast starts at a whopping $850, and that's without the heatsink you need for PS5. Yikes! Now, it is faster than most other ATB drives on the market, but the difference is tiny for most folks. Plus, for most users, anything over 2 TB is probably overkill unless you are storing a massive movie library. Here's the kicker. You can actually get two 4 TB WD Black SN850X drives for way cheaper on Amazon Prime Day right now. We're talking like $246 each. That's for far more less money, and you get the benefit of data when one drive fails. So, unless you have a tiny motherboard with only one M2 slot, the ATB drive might not be the best bang for your buck. Hold off until named flash prices can come down, or grab these Switch Prime Day deals instead. This year, CAMMUS released the E-peadal for Ryzen gamers. How can we say it? It's designed for those who surpassed the beginner stage. This pedal set delivers realism and immersion. Sleek, space-saving design fits even the tiniest setups. High-quality pedals for permanent feel, adjustable damping, and progressive spins for personalized control. Low-cell brake pedal for precise, realistic braking. All this needed a must-have for serious racers. Let's say our coworkers' experience. Get ready to be amazed. Tencent's AnyPortrait is a game changer in AI animation, bringing anime images to life with audio and a single reference image. AnyPortrait works in 2 steps. 1. Audio to LMK, capture facial expressions from audio. And 2. MNK to video, generating animated portraits finally. AnyPortrait generates high-quality, realistic animations that capture the essence of the characters' emotions and expressions. It's like magic. AnyPortrait is just the beginning. The future of animation is bright, and AI is leading the way. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next time with more of the same. Bye.